Having sore knees is common and isn't usually a sign of anything serious. There are many possible causes, which can range from a simple muscle strain or tendinitis to some kind of arthritis. Sometimes a cause can't be found. As you age, getting knee pain may become more common. You're also more at risk of getting knee pain if you are overweight. Knee pain may sometimes be the result of a sports or other injury. Hip and knee pain can be incredibly intense and debilitating, worsening even the simplest movements. To help you with the pain, the majority of patients usually use painkillers that only give you temporary relief, and can lead to severe side effects. Some doctors suggest the use of natural herbs as an effective way to treat joint pain and regenerate the cartilages. We have an amazing recipe for a natural remedy that will alleviate hip and knee pain, without causing any side effects. Ingredients: thyme, 1 tablespoon. Salvia, 1 tablespoon. Mint, 1 tablespoon. Rosemary, 1 tablespoon. Water, 1 liter. Instructions: boil the water and add all the ingredients. Cook them for 5 minutes, and remove the pot from the heat. Leave the infusion to cool for 15 minutes, strain, and store in the fridge. You can sweeten it with honey. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, once in the morning on an empty stomach, and once in the evening, before going to sleep. In a very short time, you will feel the improvements and the cartilages of the knees and hips will be regenerated.